Good morning, class. Today we are going to start the new chapter of Standard 10, that is Similarity of Triangle. Before going to this chapter, I want to tell you that please be revise congruency from Standard 9 so that if there is any if we are going to deal this chapter with the help of congruency, you may understood the concept of congruency also. So, in earlier classes, we have learnt about the congruent figure. Two geometric figures having the same shape and size are known as congruent figure. This is the general way of identifying the congruent figure. If we have the two geometrical figure which is same in shape and size, like if I am taking these two triangles, so this side of this triangle is equal to this one, this side is equal to this one, and this side is equal to this one. All three sides of this triangle is equal to all three sides of this triangle. So we will say these two triangles are congruent. So A, B, C and P, Q, R. If these two triangles are congruent, we will say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. In same way, if I am taking two circles with equal radii, OA, and one more circle O'B, if their radii are equal, we will say the circle with center OR and circle with center O'R are congruent since they have the same area. So, this we have done in standard 9 only. Now, if we have two geometrical figures, those who are not equal in shape, they look like each other, then they are said to be the similar. Suppose I am taking these two triangles like A, B, C and one more triangle P, Q, R. It is clearly visible that this is smaller than this one. Means they both are the triangles, they have three sides, but they are not equal in size. When we will cut the piece of this triangle and when we will keep it over this one, it will not overlap on each other. So in this way, we cannot say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here both the triangles are exactly overlapping on each other. अगर ये ABC कट करके PQR के ऊपर रख दिया जाए तो वो पूरी तरह से PQR को हाइड कर लेगा. लेकिन यहाँ पर ABC छोटा है, अगर इसको हम इसके ऊपर रखें तो कुछ ऐसा, या तो इससे बहुत छोटा या ऐसा होगा कि ये इसको ओवरलैप नहीं करेगा. बट दे आर लुकिंग लाइक ईच अदर, दोनों एक दूसरे के जैसे दिख रहे हैं. In that case, we will say triangles are not congruent, but they are similar. This is a sign for similarity. So, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So, this is the main difference between the similarity and congruency. That in congruency, when two geometrical figures are congruent, they are exactly same in shape and size. But when the two triangles are similar, they look like each other, but they are exactly not same in size. Their sides or their boundaries are in some proportion. Okay. So now in this chapter, we will discuss that how can we say that whether two triangles are similar or not, because sometimes it's happen that we are having two different triangles or two different circles. The circles, so they are always similar because they have the same, they look like each other in all the manner. But sometimes in triangle we have some of the criteria that we have to keep in our mind to tell that two triangles are similar or not. So now let us discuss at first some of the illustration. After that we will come to the criteria of the similarity. So first illustration is, if we will talk about two lines, illustration 1. Any two line segments are always similar. Two line segments are always similar. but they need not be congruent. They are congruent if their length are equal. Okay, if we are taking any two line segments, suppose AB and PQ, two lines are there. So they are looking like each other in all the manner. So they are similar to each other. AB is similar to PQ. But if their length are equal, then only we can say that they are congruent to each other. So here you can see AB is smaller than PQ. Suppose if I am taking a line CD which has the same length, if it is of 4 centimeter, this is also of 4 centimeter, then here I can say that AB is congruent to CD. But here I cannot say that AB is congruent to PQ, because AB is 4 and PQ is longer than that. Suppose it is of 8 centimeter, so AB and PQ are similar. Okay, so I think this is clear to you, that when we can say that the things are similar and they are congruent to each other. So whenever we are taking two line segment, they are always similar to each other. But if their length are equal, then only we will say that they are congruent. My dear friend, please keep it in your mind that if two figures are congruent, they are similar to each other. But if two figures are similar, it's not necessary that they are congruent also. Okay, now illustration 2. Any two circle are similar but not necessarily congruent. They are congruent if their radii are equal. Okay, if we have two circles, suppose I am having these two circles with center O, radius OA, and radius is given 2 centimeter. Here it is PQ, radius is given 3 centimeter, and here it is RS, radius is given 2 centimeter. So they all are looking like each other, so they all are similar to each other. But if anyone will ask that which one is congruent to each other, then this circle with center O and center R, they are congruent because their radii are equal. But these two are not congruent because their radii are not equal. So circle with center O and radius 2 centimeter is congruent to circle with center R and radius 2 centimeter. But circle with center O and radius 2 centimeter is only similar to circle with center O and radius 3 centimeter. Okay, then it means we can say that all the circles are always similar, but they are not always congruent. If their radii are given equal, then only they are congruent to each other. In same way, the illustration 3 is any two squares are similar. Any two square. If I am taking a square with 2 centimeter side and one square with 4 centimeter side, they are similar to each other. But if we want to tell them congruent, then their sides should be equal. If I am taking two square with the same side, then only it is congruent. So these two squares are congruent, but they are only similar to each other. So in this way, you can say that whenever the two closed figures are looking like each other, they have the same side, then they are similar, but they are not always congruent. Now come in the case of the triangles. When we are having two equilateral triangles, are always similar. Okay, because they are always having the same shape and they look like each other, like ABC and PQR. Both are having 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree angle, but they are having the different side. It has 3 and it has 6 centimeter side. So they are similar to each other. ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So we can say all the equilateral triangles are always similar to each other. So this is all about the basic of this chapter, that how can we identify whether the figures are similar or not. But dear student, in case of triangle, it's not always happen that if we are taking two triangle of any type and they are always similar to each other. To make them similar, we have some criteria. So we will discuss at first that criteria. Then only with the help of that criteria, we can say whether the triangles are similar or not. This is only for equilateral triangle, that equilateral triangles are always similar. So now let us discuss the another topic, that is similarity of two polygons. When we will say that two polygons are similar or not. Similar polygons. I think you all are knowing about the polygons. Any closed figure bounded by 3 or more than 3 line segment are known as polygons. कोई भी closed figure जो कि 3 या 3 से अधिक line segment से bounded हो, वो polygon कहलाता है. Example triangle, 4-sided quadrilateral, 5-sided pentagon, 6-sided hexagon and all that. They all are polygon. So two polygons are said to be similar to each other if number 1, their corresponding angles are equal, and number 2, their length of corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, so if we have to prove that whether two given polygons are similar or not, we have to check whether their corresponding angles are equal or not, and then we have to check whether their length of the corresponding sides are proportional or not. So see, I'm explaining you with this example. Suppose I'm taking two pentagon, one A, B, C, D, E, and another pentagon P, Q, R, S, T. Suppose this is angle 130 degree, this is 100 degree, this is 120 degree, this is 4 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 3.2 centimeter, this is 4 and this is 3. In same way, this is of 100, this is of 130, this is of 120, this is 4.5, this is 6, this is 4.5 and this is 6. These two polygons I am having, these two are the pentagons, and we have to prove whether they are similar to each other or not. So at first see, here the angle E of this pentagon is equal to angle T. Angle E is equals to angle T, both are of 100 degree. Then angle D is equals to angle S, that is 130 degree, and then angle B is equals to angle Q, 120 degree. So we can see here that three angle of these pentagons are equal to three angle of this pentagon. Now we have to check whether their sides are in ratio, in proportion or not. So see here, AB by PQ equals to 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3. Then if I am taking BC by QR, that is 3 by 4.5, this will be also 2 by 3. In same way, when we will check for all the side, we will get AB by PQ equals to BC by QR equals to CD by RS equals to DE by ST equals to EA by PP. They all are equals to 2 by 3. So since the ratio, the proportion of both the sides, the corresponding sides of both the polygons are equal, that is 2 by 3, इसके सारे साइड का रेशियो इसके सारे साइड के रेशियो के साथ इक्वल आ रहा है और साथ ही साथ इसके तीन एंगल्स भी एक दूसरे के इक्वल हैं. So we can say that this pentagon ABCD is similar to the pentagon PQRST. So dear student, whenever you have to check whether two polygons are similar or not, at first you check whether their sides are in equal ratio or not and their angles are equal to each other or not. So I hope this introduction of similarity is clear to you all. Now in the next video we will discuss that what are the different criteria and what are the theorems based on similarity of triangles. Thank you.